Okay, let's check out the cold start this morning in the truck. I think it snowed last night. I'm gonna do like a friend of mine said, get in the truck and start it versus doing it with my app or my phone. God, Mom, it's almost froze. Door. And my memory foam seat cushion is froze stiff. I mean, you can't even mash it in. I've got to get this ice off this where it builds up on my... It's hard as a rock. Man, I need to spray something on that to keep it from sticking. All right, let's check this out. Let's see how she starts. It does seem to start different. That's weird. Shouldn't make any difference. See all the frost on my windshields? My pretty cracked windshield I got through the Alcan. Yeah. It turned over a few times, but it turned over fast. Yeah. The reason you go to keep that ice knocked off is there's a small gap under there. These automatic sideboards, afraid it'll break my... See how Tanya's side is. Oh, she must be keeping hers clean. It's hard as a rock. That top part ain't so bad. Okay. We'll let her warm up a few minutes.